Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today we're going to be doing a short drawing activity called Yes You Can Draw a Flamingo, because yes you can draw a flamingo, and I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few easy to follow steps. All you're going to need is something to write on. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase board, and something to write with. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase marker. If you have those things and you're ready to go, then let's get started. The first thing you're going to do to make a flamingo is going to sound crazy to you at first, but I want you to draw a big number 2. A big number 2 that has kind of a curvy end. So, big number 2. Then we're going to come down here and we're going to draw a bottom to make this like an eye shape. So far, so good. Then we're going to make a triangle and close it off. And then we're going to follow this line all the way down to our bodies. So far, so good. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to give our flamingo an eye with a little pupil. We're going to color the bottom part of its beak and draw a line up the middle. Then we're gonna give it some little details to begin with. We're going to give it a little fluff on the top of its head. We're going to do that by drawing 1, 2, 3 lines and then just following them back to the head. Like a little mohawk. We're going to do the same thing on the tail, except we're going to make a few more lines. We're going to do 2 up, 1 out, and 2 down. And you're going to follow them down to the body. Now we have a floofy little tail. Now we're going to give our flamingo a wing. So we're going to make just a happy face, kind of. And then we're going to make some jagged edges until we get to the top of the body. We're almost done. Can you believe it? I cannot. Now, we started making our flamingo with a number 2, and we're going to finish off our flamingo with another number. To make our long flamingo legs, we're going to start off by making a number 4. Watch. Down and over, down once more. That's the way we make a 4. And then we're just going to follow our lines like this. Down and over and down once more. Then we're going to make a V at the end of each of our legs and a little M. Up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down. Voila! Ladies and gentlemen, you just drew a flamingo. Yes, you can. All you need is to be able to make a 2 and a 4 and follow some easy little lines and directions. And you can make yourself a beautiful flamingo. As always, please experiment. Give yourself a bigger mohawk or less feathers. Maybe you want your legs to be a little bit different. It is all up to you. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you really enjoyed this video and that you experiment with making your own flamingos. If you enjoyed it, please hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. Thank you all who have already subscribed to my channel. If you haven't done so already, do so now so you don't miss out on any future content. I hope you had a really great time. I know I did, and I will see you next time. Bye.